Do they fly? You want to know? Nope. I had an idea to 3D print myself some paper airplanes using a 3D printer. You cannot call them paper planes, but it's a paper plane shape, but it's 3D printed with plastic. I know that they are heavy, they're not supposed to be flying, but I just wanted to give it a try. I tried to find 3 of the best designs for a paper airplane online, and I gave it a try. But let me show you how much an A4 paper weighs, so we can compare to how much they weight. Got my scale here, digital, it's in grams. I folded the A4 paper just like that, so we can see how much it weighs, and this one weighs 5 grams. So that's how much your paper airplane should weigh. So let's see the smallest of my 3D printed. It weighs 16, so there's almost no chance that something like that will fly. But let me show you. As you can see, they don't fly, they just fell down, probably just because they're heavy and there's no aerodynamic to lift the plane up. But I just wanted to give it a try, and it's a nice, like, if you want to stick it on a wall or something, it's a nice piece. Doesn't take much material. You see 18 grams. Change the dimension to 50% smaller, and I came with this one. This weighs 3 grams. Even this one does not fly. Probably, like I said, just because it's just a piece of plastic. You can see this isn't smooth surface. Maybe that's why. And it's not made of paper, I guess. I don't know, the paper has some kind of special abilities to fly. 3D printed don't have. It's heavy. Maybe if you remove this line, make it a little bit smaller to less a little bit of the weight, but I don't think so. So yeah, they do not fly. I know that there is like a lightweight PLA that you could probably print, but like I said, I don't believe they're too heavy, and they nosedive, and they do all. It's like throwing a rock in the air. So yeah, they don't fly. Maybe just because the paper, you can make a big plane out of this paper which weighs 4 or 5 grams, and this is a big plane that weighs 20 grams, so I don't believe they're gonna fly. Maybe if we stick some electric motors, they will, but I'm not gonna do that. Like I said, it's just maybe like a exhibition piece, or just put it on your wall or whatever. So does a 3D printed paper airplane fly? No, it doesn't. But they look cool.